Kling just launched their first native audio model, Kling 2.6, joining the likes of Veo 3.1, Sora 2, and Van 2.5. So in this quick video, we are going to cover the basics, understand where Kling 2.6 fits in, and answer the big question, can Kling actually challenge the Veo's dominance? We are now officially have 4 native audio video generation models, each with their own strength. And to figure out which one is right for you, we need to compare them in 4 key areas. By the way, we will be using Higgsfield to showcase all of this. It gives you access to every one of these models and much more. Link is below along with the summary of everything we are about to cover. Let's start with the easiest one, the maximum resolution. All 4 models generate 1080p video and you can upscale it after that. When it comes to duration, measuring how long each video model lets you generate. Kling and Van both let you generate 5 and 10 second clips. Sora has the widest range, 4, 8 and 12 seconds. Veo 3.1 lets you generate 4, 6 and 8 seconds. So yes, Sora takes the crown when it comes to the flexibility of duration and the range. But what actually matters for this video is that Kling 2.6 beats Veo 3.1's upper limit. That alone puts Kling into a direct challenger territory. When it comes to aspect ratio, all 4 models supports the 2 most important aspect ratios, 16:9 and 9:16. But Kling goes a little bit further by adding 1:1, which can be handy depending on your use case. And interestingly, Van 2.5 gives the most aspect ratio control out of all of these. To get that, you need to access it through their own platform. When it comes to frame control, which matters a lot for content creators, especially for AI filmmaking, Veo 3.1 is the only model that gives you the start and end frame control. Kling 2.6, Sora, and Van only allows start frame control. That's a big drawback for all of these models, especially for Kling, because the earlier version of Kling, like 2.5, did offer the end frame control, but that feature is currently missing with the native audio update. Hopefully it will return because that would instantly make Kling far more competitive. When it comes to special features, this is where the difference really shows. Sora 2 has its own social media app, has Cameos, which is basically AI celebrity collaboration. But it does not allow you to generate videos if the image you upload contain human faces. When you access it through Higgsfield and go to image upload section, it literally says for Sora 2, human faces are not supported. That's a big limitation for Sora 2. Van 2.5 comes with one of the most unique features in this entire space, sound-driven design. You upload an audio clip and Van 2.5 generates a video that syncs to that audio. No other model can do this right now, and it opens up insane creative workflows. For example, you can create a song with Suno, generate a perfectly lip-sync video with Van. There are demos on this on Van's own website and it's actually super impressive. Veo 3.1 special features let it dominate for 2 reasons. The ingredient feature, which gives you object level control and perfect product shots and consistently. Then the multi-shot mode, which lets you create camera cuts inside your own video generation. Combine those with Veo's overall superior quality, physics, and motion control, it easily becomes the strongest all-around model in the pack. When it comes to Kling 2.6, and actually the real reason where things can get really interesting, during their Omni release week, Kling also launched the world's first Omni video model with iterative editing. You can learn more about Kling 1 by watching this video, or you can check it out through our school community. If you're familiar with that, you know how powerful Kling 1's capabilities are. It already offers the element feature, which is actually similar to Veo's Ingredients, but with better consistency. Plus, Kling has the ability to maintain scene-by-scene continuity because it's let you upload the entire video, not just the start and end frame. So here's the key. If Kling 2.6 manages to bring elements, end frame control, and Kling 1's iterative editing feature into native audio model, then Kling wouldn't just challenge Veo, it would outshine it without doubt. So as a final verdict, is Kling 2.6 already better than Veo 3.1? Not yet. But is Kling 2.6 the first model with a real shot at threatening Veo's dominance? Absolutely yes. Kling 2.6 is right there. It's already surpassed Sora 2 and Van 2.5 as a challenger. And depending on what they add next to the model, Kling could genuinely take the lead.